Hi everyone. Now we start our fantastic journey. So now we have this Azure portal, and we have the DevOps here. So our idea now is to build MLOps with the help of Azure DevOps CI/CD pipeline. But now you can see here you have different websites, and now we have to make a connection between these two websites. So how to do so? Let me just show you how to do this. If you go to the projects setting and now go to the surface connection, and from here you need to add a new surface connection. So for this I will choose Azure Manager, Azure Resource Manager, and I will just click OK. Now I have to, it will pop up a new window here, which is you have to sign in. Deep deep knowledge. We have to sign in so we can see the resource groups. And let me see, already signed in, and you can see here now our subscription pay as you go, and it might be in your case your subscription, and this is the subscription ID. If I go here and I can see the subscription ID right here, you can see this one here. Now I have a connection, but let's see. So now I have which resource group I will choose. Maybe this one here. Now the surface connection, we can call this MLOps anomaly, and this one will be optional, let's say. And here I need to give this permission to any pipeline. It might be I will create several pipelines, so I need to get this access, or let's say permission for this connection to any pipeline. I will just make save. This really it's really important for you to understand this. Otherwise, it might be difficult for you to follow us. So now I have this surface connection, but do I have the permission to create any resource group here? So, for instance, I have this pipeline here. For instance, create a resource group, and to create a resource group, we need to use this CLI version 2 pipeline. Command. Now, is this one here has the permission to uh, to create this resources? I think no, because I have to add it. Surface roles. Click here, surface roles, and we can see now. Before this, we can go to the manage app registration. We need the object ID key. This one here. So I will just copy this and go to this, or you can just go back to the DevOps and click here. Now I need it will open now the resource group that I have created. I mean, not that I have created, I have connected to. So now I need to add the permission here, add role permission, and I will add this Azure DevOps as a contributor. So click here, privilege, contributor. Next, now here we have to add select the members. I have to select the one that I have created, which is not here. Let's see, manage IP. This object ID, we have to copy this, and let me just back again, select. Now I have here, see, anomaly. This is the ID of my service connection. So now you can see select and assign. So unfortunately I have error here. Fail to add as a contributor. The assigned is already exist. One, did I add this? So let's have a look in the access roles, and we have contributor. No, I think it's something wrong, but I will try it again. So let me just close this. This is the object ID. This is we need. I will add a contributor, add a permission, add the object ID. Okay. Now select. That's strange. Let me just check, and I'll be back to you, of course. I just have seen this one here when I see the the a connection. I have here the ID. So let me just try with this overview. Let me just try with this ID here and add a permission, and let's have a look. We need to select a user here, and if it's not working, it's okay. It's not working. It has to be only this object ID, which is this one here. But I have no idea why it's not working. But of course, I will find a solution. But they are just complaining that it's already exists. And now let's just try to run something. So I need to create now a small pipeline, and for that we'll go to pipeline and create a new pipeline, and let's just make it classic. Okay, the classic it's not here. So what you have to do is just go to the project settings, go to the main project, here, and go to the organization, and for this we go to the pipelines. What is pipelines? Here, general pipeline setting, and here you can see here it's with the classic, yeah, disable creation of classic build pipeline. So we just need to disable this, and also this. We need all of these let's see classic pipelines. So now let's go to our organization, select a demo. Now go to the pipeline. Let's now try to create. Now we have the classic, use classic editor. Okay, so I will use my repo, this one here, continue, and I will just wait a minute. Start as an empty job. Now I have this up. I have also to select the default. Now here should be, for instance, Anoma Vision. So for the first job, we have to select the pipeline. We will see default, and I have also a videos here on how to create a, let's see, pipeline. I mean, a build agent. How to create a build agent so we can run the code and see that. So here now I need to add in the beginning Python, Python, Python version, and for that I need 3.11. The second one, let's see, Azure CLI. So run this, and here you see I need to open the connection. Our connection was MLOps, and the script I will see a PowerShell and inline. So here I will just copy this. It's create the Python. It's just adding the command here. Copy. Sometimes it's easy to copy, but sometimes it's dangerous. We need to add here ML. Okay, so now let's see. Okay, now I need another one just to make sure that it's running indeed. CLI, and now here I would like to call this create a resource group. And for the connection we need anomaly detection, script, PowerShell, also inline, and I will just copy this command. Okay, let's see this our command here. Now we have no location. It will be East USA, and the resource group, let's see, let's call it def. Let's see, resource group DevOps. It's just for sake of simplicity. And now I have to save. Now I need also to go to my pipelines. So agent, let's see, open, run. So this will run another PC, let's see, which called agent pool. And when I run the pipeline, it will try to run it here, which is indeed in my PC, but it's like it's considered as a separated PC. Let's see, it's not a separate PC, but yeah. So now it's connecting to the server. Now it's listening to jobs. So if I now click queue, hopefully this is the right build agent. And if it's this one, we can see here some. Let's see. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's starting to running job one, and here we see it's running. Now we will see now if everything now is the connection, let's see, between Azure DevOps and Azure ML is valid. So in this case we can see perfect. We will continue. Let's see, we'll start with the the real, let's see, the real work, how to make the build pipeline, I mean CI/CD pipeline. So let me pause the video until finishing this. If I have any issue, I will let you know, of course, and we will see how to solve it. Let me. Yo, as you can see, I still have the same error here, and the pipeline is was creating the, I mean, install the machine learning extension. Now, when I try to create the resource group, it was saying that I have no permission. So I will try to copy this ID here and try another time. And if not, I have another solution for this. Just try here, add a role, contributor, next, member, and hopefully now should work. Otherwise, I can give you another solution, which we can make a permission in top of the subscription. So yeah, now it's not able to do it. So let me just go to resource group, select this access control and add roles, and here we have to select contributor, and here I need to add this as a contributor for the whole, let's say, subscription, because I will try to create several stuff. So hopefully now it should work. Now it's perfect. It's working. So let's now try to rerun the pipeline. You can see just run, click edit, queue, and this will take, let's say, somehow 5 to 10 minutes. I will pause the video and be back to you. So I'm here. So you see, I'm trying to show you what are the errors and how to solve it. So please subscribe to my channel, like, watch the video, and if you have any question, just drop it down in the comment below. No. So now it's running. As you can see here, this CLI extension, install the extension. It was taking 4 minutes, let's say almost 4 minutes. Creating the resource group was only 15 minutes. And let's have a look in the Azure and see, let's see, have resource groups. We have called this, yeah, resource group DevOps. That's it. And from next time, we will try only to work with the Azure DevOps, and also we will see the result on everything will be reflected to the Azure ML. Okay, then see you next time.